comment, like, subscribe.
Hey YouTube, I am here with another video. This evening I'm here with a summer sausage. To those of you that have had this, you know what it is like and you know the taste. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I cut it. That is what the inside looks like. Now I'm going to remove it from the first plastic wrapping. Now it has this other wrapping. You can peel it off and then you just cut it in some slices. I guess you have to have a very sharp knife. Okay, so this is what the slices look like. Just remove this piece. Now I'm going to fix a plate to show you how I'm going to use this. Now I have some crackers. I'm just going to place the crackers to the plate. With the summer sausage. Guys, and just simple as this, you can have a dinner. And then I'm going to drink it with some, I'm going to have it with some lemonade. Here is the lemonade. Here is the summer sausage and the crackers. Here it is. So let's fix it. So you can, these crackers, you can have it in two. And you just place the summer sausage in the middle and you make kind of like a sandwich with it and you bite. I've not had this in a very long time. I can't remember when last I had this.
But it actually took me back
To my childhood days when we used to have to go to the shops in the village to get this summer sausage to eat with crackers. Guys, lemonade. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Summer sausage with crackers. Bye now.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.